Here's what you need to know about what is the OSI model. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. The OSI model is a 7-layer framework that explains how data travels across a network. Each layer has a specific job, from physical cables at the bottom to user applications at the top. Network engineers use the OSI model to troubleshoot problems and understand exactly where in the stack an issue occurs. Key concept: 7 layers top to bottom. The 7 layers are application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. A common mnemonic is all people seem to need data processing, reading from layer 7 down to layer 1. Key concept: encapsulation and headers. As data moves down the OSI stack, each layer wraps it with its own header, a process called encapsulation. At the receiving end, each layer strips its header back off, passing data up to the next layer. Key concept: Layer 4 transport protocols. Layer 4 is where TCP and UDP operate. TCP provides reliable, ordered delivery with error checking. UDP is faster but has no guaranteed delivery. The exam frequently tests which protocol runs at which layer. Key concept: devices map to layers. Each network device maps to a specific OSI layer. Hubs operate at layer 1, switches at layer 2, and routers at layer 3. Knowing which device works at which layer is a top exam topic. Let's look at the full breakdown. Layer 7, application protocols, HTTP, FTP, DNS, SMTP, data unit, data. Function, user-facing network services. Layer 6, presentation, protocols, SSL, TLS, JPEG, ACI, data unit data. Function, encryption, and formatting. Layer 5, session, protocols, NetBIOS, PPTP, RPC. Data unit data, function, opens and closes sessions. Layer 4, transport, protocols, TCP, UDP. Data unit segment, function, reliable or fast delivery. Layer 3, network, protocols, IP, ICMP, OSPF, BGP, data unit packet, function, logical addressing and routing. Layer 2, data link, protocols, Ethernet, ARP, PPP, data unit frame, function, MAC addressing and switching. Here's a real-world example. When you send an email, your email app works at layer 7. The message is encrypted at layer 6. A session is opened at layer 5. TCP breaks it into segments at layer 4, IP address is routed at layer 3, Ethernet frames it at layer 2, and electrical signals carry it across the wire at layer 1. The receiving server reverses this process layer by layer. Quick recap before you go. 1. The OSI model has 7 layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, application. 2. Mnemonic top to bottom, all people seem to need data processing. 3. Encapsulation adds headers going down the stack. Decapsulation removes them going up. 4. Hubs =sign layer 1, switches =sign layer 2, routers =sign layer 3. Must know for the exam. 5. TCP and UDP both operate at layer 4, transport. SSL TLS is layer 6, presentation. That's what is the OSI model? Covered. Exam tip: memorize the device to layer mappings. Hub =sign layer 1, switch =sign layer 2, router =sign layer 3. Also know that SSL TLS sits at layer 6, presentation, not layer 4. These distinctions appear in almost every Network Plus exam. Next up, what is the TCP IP model? If this helped, hit subscribe. New Network Plus topics drop every week.